Already have a Tidio account? Here's a simple walkthrough on how to log in and manage your chatbot and live chat settings. Let's dive right into the video. Open your browser and go to tidio.com/panel/login. This is the official login page for Tidio users. Now enter your registered email address and password. Make sure you use the email that you signed up with to avoid login issues. After entering your credentials, click Login. You'll be redirected to a main Tidio dashboard where you can view chats, set up automations, or install Tidio on your website. And that's it. You're now logged into your Tidio account and ready to manage your conversations and chatbots with ease. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.